friends, welcome to my channel, The Girl in the City. Today we're gonna see how to prepare plain parathas. So let's go ahead and see the preparation.
Here I have taken 2 cups of whole wheat flour and adding 1 tablespoon of salt. This is optional. If you want, you can add 1 tablespoon of oil, again optional. For 2 cups of flour, you need 1 cup of water to knead the dough. I have taken lukewarm water to get a gluten-free dough and easy on digestion. Mix the flour and salt properly. Pour the water little by little and mix the dough. Once there is no more dry flour left, start kneading the dough using your palm and add water if needed. Knead a soft dough. Let the dough rest for 10 minutes. Around 1 tablespoon of water left and rest has been used. 10 minutes it's over. Let's roll the paratha. Divide the dough into equal portion of a lemon size ball and roll it in between your palm like this. Now take a dough ball, dust it in dry flour and roll it into a circle of diameter around 5 cm. Now fold this in half. Brush it with little oil if you want. Now fold it again in half. It will be like a triangle shape. Now roll it again. Take a pan or tawa, heat it. Once the tawa is hot, add the paratha and cook until you see small bubbles appear on the top. Now flip it and cook the other side for few seconds. Add little bit ghee or oil and cook both the side properly for few seconds. Paratha is ready. You can serve it hot, or if you want to eat later, then place it on top of a cup or a glass, because if you directly keep on a plate, then bottom paratha will be little bit wet and soggy. Let's see one more time. Once all the parathas are done, keep it inside a casserole and serve it hot. Let's check how the paratha is. It is soft and fully cooked from inside. You can roll it and see how soft it is. Enjoy this paratha with any curry, sabji or curd or even with pickle.
If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified.